Hey guys, welcome back to my channel FJP Vlogs, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove a service reminder on a Bajaj Pulsar Ns200. So guys, let's start the video. First you need to turn off the bike and press and hold the M button, which is known as mode button. Then switch on the bike, press it until the icon starts blinking. After the icon starts blinking, press and hold the S button, which is also known as a set button, until the icon removes. But the digital meter shows the default kilometer, but it will get back to the current kilometers once you switch off and on the bike. So that's all for today guys. If you like my video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I see you guys in the next video. Peace.